large-scale infrastructure project, CASA-1000 is being implemented in the energy sector of the Kyrgyz Republic since 2021. CASA-1000 will become an energy bridge between the countries of Central and South Asia, through which the electricity from Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan will be sent to consumers in Afghanistan and Pakistan during the summer period. This is the first cross-country commercial project in the energy sector. CASA-1000 is the modernization of existing and construction of new energy infrastructure facilities of the Kyrgyz Republic. Construction works are being carried out in Batken, Osh, and Jalalabad provinces. The project is implemented by the National Electric Grid of Kyrgyzstan, OJSC. The contractor is the Turkish company Mitash. A 500 kilovolt power transmission line with a length of 456 kilometers will be laid across the territory of the Kyrgyz Republic. In parallel with the construction works, the CASA-1000 Local Community Support Project was launched. It is implemented by the Community Development and Investment Agency of the Kyrgyz Republic in cooperation with the Aga Khan Foundation. The project covers 77 settlements which have been awarded grants for improving its electricity supply and infrastructure, support in the organization of facilities that bring stable income to the local budget, and projects to improve social infrastructure. In addition, allocations from each exported kilowatt hour are provided for the local population in the future. Upon completion of construction, the Kyrgyz Republic will receive an annual income of about $100 million from electricity exports and will occupy a significant place in the energy security system of the entire region. CASA-1000, a new impetus for the development of the Kyrgyz Republic.